Welcome back to our channel everybody. Today's video is specifically on Lowe's credit card and I'll be showing you guys how you guys can log into it. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then hit that subscribe button and follow the step which I'm going to show you guys. First step is you want to go to Lowe's website. So you want to write lowes.syf.com. Now you can pause the video to see what I've written in the screen and copy it, alright? And once you copy it, you can search for it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over here. Now, once you're over here, make sure to choose the card which you have. Let's say I have this card, I can choose this. And where it says user ID, I can enter my user ID. And after you enter a correct user ID, make sure to do that. Click on sign in. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your account. And if you want to register or activate your card, you can always click on it to do that. And if you forgot your password, because after you click on this, it's going to take you to the page where it's going to ask you for your password. So if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password to recover your password as well. Alright. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a Lowe's credit card account. So if any one of you have any questions, you can ask in the comment and I will see you guys on my future video. Alright. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.